quadratic equation, how it is going to resolve the collision problem. Maybe it can take less time to search the element and store the element. So let us see what happened here. So take the same elements or any other elements, what it 5, 7, 3, 15, 25, 33 and 45. Take any elements in the key space, and take the memory slots 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something, okay, 9. So now store the element. You can use as usual procedure. So when the problem is changed, when move for another mathematical expression, when the collision is arise. If there is no collision, you can fix up with this problem to store the element in the hash. Okay. So h index is 5. So directly it can store at 5. Index 5. 7 index is 7. It can store directly in the index. Third, it can store directly. No problem still. 15. So go for 15, apply the formula 15, remainder is 5. Here collision is arise. The collision is arise, then move for alternative formula. Here the formula is slightly modified. H of x equal to h of x, output of this, plus here use I square. Quadratic means square of that position. Okay, so we are not going to search one after another. We can move some square of that positions. Okay, that is make reducing the time complexity to search the space. Okay, I think I am clear. So here the collision is occur. So then what is the solution? H of x output is 5 plus I value is start from 1, 2 and so on. 1 square mod 10. So output is 6 mod 10, that is 6. So 6 is empty or not? If the 6 is empty, place the value. What is the value? 15 is placed. Next go for again 25. So find out the remainder. 25 mod 10, remainder is again 5. So apply this formula again. So how to apply? H dash of x equal to h of x plus I square mod 10. Here h is, what is the h? H of x is a 5 plus initially I value is 1. So 1 square is 1, then mod 10, remainder is 6. Then 6 is already the element is stored. The again collision is arise. Then go for increment the I value 5 plus 2 square mod 10. Value is 9 mod 10. Remainder is 9. Okay. So it can show the 9th index position. You can check the 9th index position is empty or not. 9th is empty. So then place the value of 25. Okay, because of in the linear probing we are searching just 7th position then 8th position. So we can go for linear wise. So we are reducing this time to search the 7th position after the collision arise. Move for 2 steps forward. Like that we can move number of steps. So next 33. So 33 remainder is 3. Already 3 is there. Then go for apply the formula. Here I write here h of 33 equal to 33 mod 10, remainder is 3. The third index having the element 3, so collision is arise. So move for second formula. H dash h of x I write directly 3 plus I value initially 1, I square is 1 mod 10 equal to 4. Check the index 4 is empty or not. Index 4 is empty, simply place the value of 33 in the place of index. Okay. Next, another number is 45. So h of 45 mod 10, remainder is again 5. Again the collision is arise. Again the collision is arise in this position. So next, how to resolve the collision? So apply. Okay. Now, if collision is arise, go for next quadratic formula. Here h value is, what is the h value? H value is 5 plus I value is, I square is I starting from 1 mod 10 6. So 6 already having the value, so collision is arise. Go for next value. I value is 2, so square, the formula is I square. I value is 2, then what is the value? 9 modulo 10, the remainder is 9. So 9 is already having the 25 is stored. Here collision is arise. Next, I value is incremented 3. So now mod 10, 9 14 mod 10, the 14, that is 4 having already 33 elements, so then it is again the collision is arise. Next 5 16, that is a 4 square. I value is 4 square mod 10, that is a 16 plus 5 25 mod 10, remainder is 5. Again fifth position having the element, again the collision is occurred. Next, take the I value is 5. If I is 5, so 5 plus 5 25 plus 5 30 modulo division 10, remainder is 0. So now we are having the chance to having the empty place to store the element 45. So this is the continue process until to find the empty position in the given memory list. Okay, so if there is no memory, all the memory slots is filled, so what happened, it can shows the memory is full. So quadratic main advantage is no need to check the step by step, go for double of the positions. Maybe we are find out the empty space as early as possible compared to the linear probing. Okay, here also can observe, here also take suppose the 45 want to store index 5, so then how can searching process also we can use same thing. So then go for 6th position, then go for 9th position, then jump to index position, like that, the same as what we process we did in the insertion of the elements. The searching also we did same thing to find out the element. So this is and deletion also apply the same formula. We can find the particular position where that 45 is stored and remove it. Okay, so this is the second collision resolution method in closed hashing. Okay, next last method, double hashing, we discussed.